Hi, welcome to appreview.com. Today we will review about the app Zender file transfer sharing. Zender is designed to share files across phones and computers using Wi-Fi or hotspot networks. Zender can share or transfer files among phone to phone, including among cross-platform devices like Android phone to Apple phone and vice versa. Phone to PC including Windows or Mac or Chromebook. On home page, the files on device are categorized into apps. Be cautious since Zender is ad supported app. Under apps, in addition to the apps on device, Zender recommends various apps. Selection of any app will direct us to the Google Play to download the app. Other sections are camera, images taken from camera, gallery, images from various other sections, music, videos, files, categories like ebook, archives, APKs, etc. and storage folders. Additionally, from the section records, we can access the list of received and sent files using Zender and delete the records if desired. On tapping on plus available at the bottom right of the app, we can create a group of share files. That is, Zender supports up to 5 simultaneous transfers to the phones or computers or existing group. We may also connect to PC computer using hotspot, iPhone or Windows phone using Wi-Fi network. PC does not require any program installation to receive files from this app. This feature is very useful to create backup for our data from the device to computer. The menu provides the statistics on file, data, number of people with whom we shared the data. It also facilitates to view list of top 10 shared apps, share app via Bluetooth, mobile hotspot, WhatsApp, or on social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, or using scan code. From the settings under General section, we can view the storage location from the received files, clear records, set to show hidden files, scan or not to scan folders with no media file, set to display for pictures less than 50 KB, enable or disable animation effects. Under connect phone section, we can set to show system apps, connection password and enable or disable sound effect, shake to send, share mobile data with group members by using mobile hotspot. Under connect PC, enable or disable alert while computer using mobile data. From the menu, we can also rate the app. Overall, in our opinion, Zender is useful to share movies, music, apps with friends and to create a backup on computer, as we can save the data charges unnecessary. To create a backup of important files, we can recommend to try Zender. We hope this review is useful to you. Thank you for watching.